Today, we are going to install the FritzBox 5590 into the RM-FB-T7 from Rackmount.IT. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, one front plate, 7 cables, and 3 zip ties. Place the FritzBox appliance from the back through the opening of the rack with the status LED lights facing the front. To fix your appliance, make sure the back is placed in front of the metal plate. Connect the power cable to the FritzBox and secure the cable with a zip tie on the rack. Connect the cables from the FritzBox to the connectors. Optionally, you can connect your own fiber cable to the SFP port and run the cable through the opening of the provided front plate. Use 2 zip ties to hold the cables together. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double-check to ensure all pieces are secured. Install the front plate below the rack mount kit. Together they are 2U high. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.